When I volcano them, you know. Set up one for me now.
Here, look.
Sir, uncle. Bear a second, please.
You tell word me, you know.
So the fun thing I got on numbers. This side when you're there.
You know, my lad, I move, never move on. If I level a farm, I move on, you know. You don't know the style.
Yeah, move on. What you have to do?
A number of things, you know. That's why they call me numbers, you know.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Yeah,
You
busy.
know the style.
So now all you got to invest in it, man.
Yeah, but brother, the truth is, I lose more than that already, you know. But my life come first, brother. You see, throw up the south, shaky, you know. I'm not going to take that chance there.
Yeah.
Just take on something else and just move right away. Because you don't know the fittest of the fittest shall survive. You don't know the style of
Yeah,
life.
easy.
You know what I say?
Uncle. Get serious.
So you tell me that for?
What does that cause a get serious?
So somebody call you and tell you to keep serious.
Huh?
You know what that means? If you come off a chicken thing, brother. And that me I tell you. I remember saying all them something there and holy part. Chemical and them something there. Like you want to live pan KFC. That's why you're cold in idea.
Do pan Pops IG. You see that around here?
Who that?
Pops IG.
I want some.
And now TikTok.
Are you a friend them there? TikTok? You know so I want on TikTok you? You talk about TikTok.
But I feel that business.
You tell me about KFC,
Please.
my lad. That is why you're cold. That's why you wear them something in idea and tell me about say you're cold up there. So.
The time of cold, we are for them.
KFC, yes. Don't know the style. As you would say, whoa!
That is it.
So at least if you are drink, you know what you're comparing about KFC.
China put on that. Remember last time?
Healthy.
Talk to him.
Healthy.
Talk to him. Whoa!
Let me see.
No, I'm going to say this if you want one,
No, see. That was one I like.
cheers.
Yeah. When I put it on, probably taste some. I'm not tasting now.
This now I put down in a bread. And the last time I put on one in the fridge, it missing. This I put on in my belly now.
You so put on that, I did not look fine. You so put on that, I'm going to see.
Don't talk to you, man. Vicious, so I go with the general them over so. And them good?
Yeah, man, then go man. Oh, yeah, say, man. You don't know if it's the man film thing, you know. I'm going to run out to beat them, man. Which I did in the studio, I get it up and running. See me, hear that? Yeah, man.
Which is right. I'm proud of the movements them in general. Like, in real life, you are do your thing or so. The man them over the sun, them do their thing, said speed. Yeah, man, I like it.
Yeah, man. So what you know? So what going through the season? Now your season a treat you.
Which season?
Christmas season, man.
No, man, I don't deal with that season there. The only season I deal with, brother, I want to go up on my food. And I really deal with that season. We burn Santa and we burn Christmas. You know what I mean?
So yes, you don't believe in a Santa Claus?
You mean Santa Falls and them not getting no round of applause.
No, you don't know, so many even to tell me you them about them thing they still, you know. But you see through the church and the school thing them, you don't know it can naturally reach them, you hear that?
So, uncle, so when me, the small and daddy used to do all them someday, bring me gift and say, yo, Santa bring gift. Come along there, tell.
Who you get the gift from? Your old man or Santa? You ever see Santa yet?
No, I never say Santa because when I go under the tree and see the present them, it say from Santa. So, I will him tell me.
That's why you can't believe in Santa because you never see him yet. And your old man give the gift you and you have big youth now. Level the Santa thing. And the wickedest thing, you say Santa. Santa go down people chimney. You see if you ever tell me say Santa forward down your chimney. This one has been never.
A good thing I never follow the tooth fairy.
So hold on, I want to go on this. So you still have some? I want to go on for your tour. Hold on.
Toe go there now. Toe shoes up here now, my general. See that?
What? I have to ask. You in a class?
Remember saying we don't tell you say just a little grace, man. And we can't make them think they hold it down, man. We don't. We're good there now.
It's
See?
like a really clever class.
Yeah, man.
But vicious. That clock's there, man. But still, you know. How will you get it?
So like I don't so go get it, you know, my friend.
You know what I'm saying? All of that uncle nearly lose this. Better.
So you see what I'm going to say. What you know?
You know, say for me like you, I'm gonna run that joke there.
No, I'm not joking.
Yeah.
The man active. Look on this, Chinese.
Don't run that joke there. Remember, say you only make me lose this, yeah?
Chinese. Show him say you're active.
Well, I'm
Yeah.
Alright, Chinese.
What's your name?
Hold on.
Hold on there.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Some of them things say you're active, man.
No, I'm active, man.
Yeah,
I want to step at a time. Hold on.
Yeah, get him.
No, we can't.
Get him.
Vicious, easy, no, man.
Yeah,
We can't.
you're active.
No, we're active, man. That's what remember saying. The foot just at email.
Yeah.
So I have to make sure. So you know what I say?
Fully in. So you don't just say you're active, man.
See, just realize that when you go so.
Cheers. Go on over this. Let me have Vicious go on over this thing. Because here we go on now. You say, how you make this happen? I'm going to tell you no say no. Yeah, man. What I see?
They still nearly lose that.